the importing of pigs from outside the state is still keeping on hold. Still it is not allowed, because we don't want the infection to spread in our state. Though till today we don't have even a single cases where the swine flu has infected our pigs. Thank God we don't have till now. And number two, meaning the previous order will remain, will continue, where there is no import of pigs from outside the state. And number two, the latest order that we issued today is interstate movement of pigs. Interstate movement, that also has been stopped. We issued the order today, and it takes effective from today itself, that no interstate movement of pigs from today, with effect from today itself. Why we have to do this, or people should bear in mind, and they should also cooperate with us. As I said to you, we don't want to take chances. We don't want to see that any infection takes place in our state. And number two, we have already instructed all the district veterinary officers to be alert and also to visit private and government piggery farms wherever located in their respective district on daily basis, to monitor the health of pigs and also to make sure that there is no spread of the swine flu in the state of Meghalaya. Well, within the district, people can still eat pork, still they can even sell pork, but that should be only within the respective district, because inter-district is now stopped. Only within the district, if they have their own local breed, local pig, it is allowed. But the advisories made by the veterinary department is they need to cook properly.